lang ako ng Cirque du Soleil.
Ito nga, hindi ako marunong mag-bike. Ito, ginawa sa ere. Nakakaloko naman kayo.
Grabe.
Thank you very much, Synergy. I'm sure natutuwa kayo dahil standing ovation mula sa ating judges. Pero let me ask you, bilang isang grupo, gaano ka-importante ang bawat member para sa tinatawag na synergy?
Bawat member po ng Synergy ay talagang may ginagampanan na roles po. Katulad nila, mga pole dancers, tapos kami, aerialist, at tsaka yung tagahila. Dahil grupo nga po kami, hindi po mabubuo yung Synergy kung kulang kami kasi kailangan kami ng teamwork at tsaka yung cooperation po ng bawat isa.
Okay, thank you very much. Judges?
Sabi ni Friendship, ang hirap. Gusto ko magmura, kaya lang nakalatel ako dahil napapamura siya sa sobrang galing ninyo.
Yes.
Ako, ang sasabihin ko lang talaga, normally, pag maraming nangyayari, as judges, nahihilo kami because there's too much happening. Pero this time around, it was seamless. Everything that was happening was connected, had meaning, and may build up dun sa finale. Napakagaling ninyo.
Ang performance nyo ngayon ay talaga namang napaka-flawless. Talagang proud na proud ako maging Pinoy pag pinapanood ko kayo. Kasi ang husay-husay nyo, tama lang dapat pumunta kayong Las Vegas at doon kayo mag-perform. Congratulations, Synergy.
Synergy, there is only one thing that I could say. You're truly amazing.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much. At kayo naman itong bumulid kayo sa agaw buhay na performance ng Synergy. Wala kayong ibang dapat gawin at tandaan. Siyempre, kundi iboto sila maya-maya. All you have to do is text PGT space Synergy. That's SYNERGY. Synergy, congratulations and thank you very much.
You know, now you may go to
Kaya
your
naman.
places, actually.
Tawagin natin ang ibang semi-finalists. Please join us on stage. Samahan